Hi children, how are you all? So after a long period I am making videos because I was busy and I thought that I finished all the chapters. So we will be continuing this. So in the previous videos we finished learning till the literature. So now we will learn about religious harmony in the cultural contributions, the religious harmony. So religious harmony. Kings of Vijayanagara kingdom were great followers of religious tolerance. So the kings of Vijayanagara empire were tolerant, and they built mosque in their capital, and they also built mosque in their capital. The Shravanabelagola inscription of 1368 CE tells us that Bukkaraya solved differences of opinions between Jains and Vaishnavas. So the inscription, which is of 1368 CE, that tells us that Bukkaraya solved the differences of the opinions between Jains and Vaishnavas. Barboza, who visited Vijayanagara during the rule of Krishnadevaraya, stated that any Christian, Jew, Muslim, Hindu, or a person of any religion can live happily in Vijayanagara kingdom because the kings respect all. So Barboza told this statement that in Vijayanagara Empire, the people of all the religions can stay happily because the kings of this kingdom respect all religions. So now we will learn about the art and sculpture. Great historian Percy Brown, on observing the temples, monuments, and sculptural statues, stated that the art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. So, children, there was a great historian Percy Brown, and he came to Vijayanagara Empire to observe the temples. And he came to Vijayanagara Empire, and by observing the temples, monuments, and sculptural statues, he stated that art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. Means all the temples, monuments, and sculptural statues were of Dravidian style. Okay. So now this picture which you can see here, children, is the Hazara Ramaswamy temple. Okay, this is the Hazara Ramaswamy temple. So now we shall move on. Temples of that period were built with strong granite rocks. So the temples were built of strong granite rocks. So the first one is Kalyana Mandapa of Virupaksha temple, which is in Hampi, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, Vithalaswamy temple, Krishnaswamy temple, Kamala Mahal, Sringeri's Vidyashankara temple are the important temples which were built during their rule. Okay, so these were the temples which were built during the Vijayanagara Empire. What are the? Virupaksha temple, which is in Hampi, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, Vitalaswamy temple, Krishnaswamy temple, Kamala Mahal, Sringeri's Vidyashankara temple, and these are some of the important temples which were built during the rule of Vijayanagara. Now, very spacious enclosures, high tower, very wide marriage halls, meeting halls, spring pavilions were the features of Vijayanagara period. So these were the features of Vijayanagara period. Okay, so the picture which you can see here is the Vidyashankara temple which is in Sringeri. Okay, so this is the Vidyashankara temple which is in Sringeri. So here Kalahasti, Srishaila, Tirupati, Chidambaram, Srirangam, Kumbakonam, Kanchi, and in other places, art and sculpture of Vijayanagara can be found. So these are the places, and there are also some other places where we can find the art and sculpture of Vijayanagara Empire. So now, Lepakshi temple, which is called Shaivas Ajanta, has sketches of Shiva Purana of Vijayanagara period. So children, there is Lakshmi temple which is in Shaivas Ajanta, and it has sketches of Shiva Purana of Vijayanagara period. On the roof of the Virupaksha temple's marriage hall, scenes of Dashavatara and Girija Kalyana are carved. So the roof of the Virupaksha temple marriage hall. So there is the Virupaksha temple's marriage hall. So in the roof of it, the scenes of Dashavatara and Girija Kalyana are carved. Okay, so now stone chariot idols of Narasimha and Ganapati illustrate the monolith stone sculpture of Vijayanagara reign. So the stone chariot idols of Narasimha and Ganapati illustrate must represent the monolith stone sculpture of the Vijayanagara reign. So Dakshina Nadi means Dakshinadi music, which is introduced now as Carnatic music, had reached even common people. Then Purandaradasa and Kanakadasa contributed a lot to this field. So the Dakshinadi, so there is a music known as Dakshinadi, which was introduced now as Carnatic music, and this has reached to even the common people, and afterwards Purandaradasa and Kanakadasa have contributed a lot in this field. So the picture which you can see here is Ganapati and idols of Narasimha, which is in Hampi. So this is the stone chariot which is in Hampi. Okay, so this is the chronological period. So the ruling period of Vijayanagara is 1336 to 1565, and the Sangama dynasty ruled for 1336 to 1485, and Harihara ruled for 1336 to 1357. Bukkaraya ruled from 1357 to 1377, and Devaraya II ruled from 1424 to 1446. Saluva dynasty, the ruling period of Saluva dynasty is from 1484 to 1505, and Tuluva Narasanayaka ruled from 1491 to 1503, and the ruling period of Tuluva dynasty is 1505 to 1567, and Krishnadevaraya ruled from 1509 to 1529, and the Battle of Talikot took place in 23rd January 1565. So there is a note. So children, CE means common era, BCE means before common era. Okay, so CE and BCE are used in the place of AD and BC. These abbreviations are being used in social science textbooks. So this is the exercise part here. Military leader of Devaraya II who defeated Sri Lankan king and received tribute is Lakkana Dandesha. Krishnadevaraya married Gajapati Prataparudra's daughter Jagan Mohini. In Vijayanagara kingdom, Varaha was a gold coin. Okay, so here foreign traveler who said all religions coexisted peacefully in Vijayanagara Empire is Barboza, and the art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the revolutionary form of Dravidian style. Percy Brown said this. Okay, so these are all the questions which you should go through your classwork and learn for your tests. So children, this is about the Vijayanagara Empire. So in the next classes we will continue with our new lesson, okay, and social science. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.